Hello, hello. What's going on, everybody? It is me, Jay Renard, and I'm here with an update and an unboxing. Let me explain. Back in May, late May, I left my unit, USS Ronald Reagan, to commence the process of retiring from 22 years of military service. Don't regret it for one moment. A lot of good, a little bit of bad. And I started the whole checking out and out processing, and then house hunting, job hunting, and then terminal leave. That terminal leave was up in on August 31st. That was my last day officially in the military. I am now in the Fleet Reserve, aka I'm retired. I'm an old man, and they're done with me. Oh, I should address this right now. There is some random popping sounds. It is New Year's Eve, and my neighbors they're celebrating early. The sun is still out. They've got their fireworks, or at least some firecrackers and whatnot. So sorry about the noise. But from late May, I've had all my stuff packed up and wasn't really able to film a proper video. I don't consider iPhones, especially my model of iPhone, to be what's proper. However, I saw a lot of friends and family while I was on leave. I did all of my out processing, did all my paperwork with the VA for various issues because nobody gets out of the military with no issues. And proceeded to come to South Texas and start this business fully and properly. This has been my sole job, if you will. Haven't had a part-time job. I don't intend on it. I don't intend on going anywhere else unless it's an absolute necessity. And I let the channel kind of trickle down a bit. I've only been posting very short videos, or just the YouTube shorts as they were, with a few minor announcements, but nothing serious. But that will be ending soon. I'm in the process of buying my home, and once I have my home, I'll have all of my property sent there, including the proper filming setup and everything. It should be significantly better than what it was before. But as I said, the retirement occurred, and then it's New Year's Eve, so Christmas just passed, and my birthday is coming up. And I decided, for this triple whammy of a situation, that I was going to get myself one gift to cover it all. One thing to rule them all, if you will. Yes, I just did that. And that gift to myself was this here. And we're going to unbox that. Let's go. Let's not tear the box. Come on, don't be a savage. There we go. So these unboxings are much better with a top-down view. That is not an option. Like I said, I'm lacking some material. Actually, let's clear this out of the way too. A little bit of the info, the warranty, the owner's manual. I can see the serial number, but nobody else needs that. And without further ado, This is the Tudor 1926 41 millimeter dial with the opaline, that's the blue and white colorway. I wanted this because of how clean and beautiful and textured the dial is. It just looks great. And then when I tried it on, it fit perfectly. Loved every bit of it. And it felt great on the wrist. I was a little on the fence about this bracelet here. I thought maybe it would catch some hairs or wouldn't feel very comfortable. I was very incorrect. It felt great. No issues there at all. This is technically not an unboxing. I had it, I tried it on and then it was sized at the dealer. So this is everybody else's first time seeing it. This is one of these watches where it fits most places. You can use it more or less any place as long as you're not going scuba diving. One feature that I liked about this that I didn't know about until I was reading the material recently was that this is actually a screw down crown. So it's got a little bit better water resistance than your average everyday / dress watch. So it's a little bit more functional, a little bit more usable. It's got a lot of great features, an in-house movement based off of the ETA. I will have all those details in the comments section. Let me see if I can get some focus on the crown there. It's pretty small. Not quite yet. But on the crown, you might be able to see it there, is the Tudor crown logo. It's got the, again, like I said, the really beautifully textured dial. This was the watch that I wanted. I've been looking at this for over a year, if I'm not mistaken, and I just kept coming back to this one. I know the Black Bay is the go-to for a lot of people when they think about Tudor, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a dive watch. I have enough dive watches, and truthfully, I don't go swimming enough. It would be what they refer to as a desk diver. I'm not a work at the desk kind of a person. I'm more of a at the workshop or picking up material sort of person, and this fits me. Again, like I said, the bracelet is very, very comfortable. It doesn't pull at the hairs, which I'm actually very surprised at because a lot of these bracelets do, and that's just a testament to how well made this watch is. It works well and feels good. It looks great, and with the white and blue dial, it goes with almost anything I could wear, unless I chose to just wear something like 100% earth tones or something like that. And even then, this would be a statement piece, so it would still stand out. This is probably one of the most usable watches that I have. Oh, shout out to Loomshot. He made a video some ways back where he said that you should wear your watches. You shouldn't worry about getting them messed up and whatnot. You spent the time and the effort researching. You spent your labor earning the money. You should wear this, and this one will not just stay in the collection. It won't stay in the watch roll. It won't stay in the case. This will be worked into the rotation, and truthfully, it will get arguably more time than any other watch mostly because I just enjoy looking at it. I mean, I think 80% of the time that I've been looking at and for this watch, I have not been looking at what time it is. I'm just looking at how beautiful I think it is, which is why I knew I should buy it. It wasn't an impulse buy. It wasn't oh, I'm trying to flex, or even a feeling of inadequacy. I just love how it looks, and I loved it enough that I wanted to spend the money to buy it. I almost bought it from a gray market dealer. I bought a Hamilton and a Bulova from them before. However, I felt that I needed the security and the assurance of buying from an authorized dealer. So I did some research and found an authorized dealer in the area where I live. There's only two. I'm I'm not anywhere near a big area, and did some did some research and a lot of talk back and forth to figure things out. And when this was available, I went and grabbed it, and I'm very glad for it. All right, I rambled on enough. Thank you all very much for your time and attention. Oh, side note real quick. The next couple of videos that come out for the channel in the new year will be me showing a new wallet that I finished, and very likely a giveaway for that wallet. Or I will be giving away something much more either bigger or ornate, or with something made from a more rare material or more expensive material like shell cordovan, and that will be given out after I hit 1,000 subscribers. Still shooting for it, still shooting for that 1K. I'm a little over 100 off. So by all means, let me know in the comments what you think I should do. Should I have a giveaway for a very nice, somewhat smaller wallet first thing new year, or have a giveaway for after I hit 1,000, because I am close. All right, that's all I got. Thank you very much for your time and attention. I'm Jay Renard, and I'm out. Peace.